What is up, everyone? This is Motors, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install MSI Afterburner. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is essentially go to this website called MSI.com, and over there you'll essentially find the specific landing page, which is called /landing/afterburner/graphic-cards, right? Basically where I am right now. So they have two versions, a final version that you're seeing over here, which I would recommend you to download, and a beta version as well. If you're trying to go for more advanced features, maybe you go for the beta versions. They have old versions as well that you can probably find in here somewhere. They probably have like somewhere at the bottom, but the ones obviously you want is the one at the top, which is the final version. Once you've downloaded it, it'll be like a zip file, and then you extract it, and then essentially there's an exe file in there. I don't even know why it's a zip file, maybe just to compress it, but this is essentially what it ultimately looks like. And in here is what you can do to like basically play around with your voltage. You can overclock it, your fan speed, etc., all that good stuff for your specific graphic card. But yeah, this is basically it. This is how you download it. I'll make more in detail videos on how to do those different things, changing the voltage, overclocking it, changing the fan speed, all that other good stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.